Hey, good afternoon, guys. Before I hit the gym today, I tried to upload some videos to TradingView and they would not take for whatever reason. So I'm going to try again one last time. I just wanted to reiterate my sentiment on the stock market indexes. Some people have asked me, has my sentiment changed because of the last 2 days of bullish moves or what appears to be bullish moves? Nope, has not. We are still in bearish territory, and I'll show you why here very quickly. We have see those two previous highs over here, these two candles. All right, so for me to be impressed at all, or not even impressed, just um, give the bulls a little bit of respect, we have to defeat that previous high. We have to end up here sooner or later. Today, we haven't done that. We hit that line with lackluster movement, and now we have seen a little bit of a sell off since then. All right. There are three things here that I am finding suggest a further bearish movement or a further price action down. Number one, we just filled the gap today. All right. So for the Bears, that's like a permission slip from the Bulls. All right. 93% of gaps are filled, whatever it is. I don't know exactly what the percentage is, but we know that generally the gaps that are created in the market are filled almost 100% of the time or a high percentage of the time. And so we just filled that gap. So that was rather quickly. And that is like a permission slip from the Bulls to the Bears to say, hey, you can continue your thing now. The other thing is we have not confirmed this bullish move above our resistance. All right. We have not confirmed our bullish move above the previous highs. All right. So those are three things. Fill the gap, could not get above our previous high, have not yet confirmed any move above this previous resistance. If I was a betting man, I would say that tomorrow's candle will close below that line. In fact, we'll see if that happens or not. But I think that the Bears now have their permission and we will continue our downwards pattern. Let's take a look at some of the other indexes to see if we can find any more clues. All right. NASDAQ, pretty much the same thing. Our previous high is up here, right? So we didn't even get close. We're struggling to get across the 50-day. We can't even conquer the 50-day here, all right? So that, again, not impressive to me. Looks like a bear flag. I think we'll come down and challenge this support, all right? That's just my prediction at this point based upon current price action and weighing the odds and probabilities here. All right. SPY, yeah, big gap up, but what does that mean? All right. Let's take a look at this. We did not beat our previous high. In fact, if I was to zoom in here, we barely even touched it. Just barely kissed it with lackluster price action. All right. And now we've created a gap here that the bears have to fill eventually. All right. So, again, my suggestion is that we come back down, fill that gap, and that momentum will take us crashing through the 50-day, and we may even challenge the support down here. So, am I still bearish? Yep, still bearish. Nothing here has changed at all. We need to get above our previous highs in order for me to even start considering that this market will maintain its forward momentum in this channel. As of now, I don't see it. I see a rolling over, and this to me means nothing. All right. So we are still bearish, folks. All right. One more thing. Let's take a look at the dollar. I don't know how. I'm very cynical regarding the dollar, so please excuse me. The dollar is following this trend, it looks like. All right. We are in an upward uh, movement. I don't know how it is so strong with the way the Fed is printing like there is tomorrow. No tomorrow. It. I mean, one of the possible theories is that we are just somehow printing slower than the rest of the countries. That could be it. But the dollar strengthening is not good for the market. Usually it's an inverse correlation to the market. So it's a uh, inverse correlative indicator. When the dollar starts to head this way, down towards that trend line, that will be good for the crypto space. Of course, the only reason I'm even entertaining this stuff is for the crypto space where you really make the money. All right. So once you see the dollar starting to get weak, and if it breaks that trend line there, if it breaks this, that is excellent, excellent for the crypto market. All right. So we watch the dollar as well, along with all of this. All right. Hope that helps, guys. No change on my sentiment. Still bearish.